You liven up the hind legs. And anywhere that he hangs up, you're just going to yield him. One rein or the other rein, depending on what's not yielding. For the hind feet, front feet, left hind, right hind, it doesn't matter. You want him to yield a bit pressure all the way through, all the way to his feet. Very good. Good job, Lauren. Very nice. Very good. Good boy, Cola. A little bit, you're leading the haunches at the end, but I know you're trying to yield them and get him to move over. Good boy. Very good, Lauren.